how are you, Derek? Let's kind of transition over to how are you investing in your transition to becoming more cloud focused? And let me just preface this a little bit. I think you guys are seeing the fact that we want to get away from that on-prem business. Okay, so how are you, like, what are your thoughts and the strategy behind going there, and why? I guess that's probably a bit better way of phrasing it.
Sure. So I think it all starts with similar to what Mike was saying, starting out as a consultant and really being a heavy, hardcore technical person. I saw the writing on the wall a decade ago as things were shifting towards the cloud. And I said, there's not going to be a need for somebody that turns knobs and pushes buttons in 10 years, right? So really, it's all more about strategy. How do we provide value to our customers and leveraging the Microsoft platform? But also, I think to tie it back to earlier conversation as well, it's a lot of it is the translation. Like Sherman, you talked about Microsoft says these are our tools. This is how you should use them. There should be no other vendors, in story. And I think the reality is no, like people like me exist because we're the I used to have Microsoft Whisperer on my LinkedIn profile, or the Sherpa, right? Because we're the ones that translate it. We help them digest what Microsoft is professing and then align it to their company, their goals, their solutions as well.